In this video, we're going to have a look at how do we write a proof to prove that two triangles are congruent using the rule side, angle, side. When we are writing congruency proofs, there are 4 steps that I recommend that you follow. The first step is going to be decide on the rule. So whether it's side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, 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 side, or right angle, hypotenuse, and side. Once you decide on the rule, use those 3 letters from the rule to label the 3 lines of working out that is required. Once you've got your 3 lines, write a statement corresponding to each letter. So if it's an S, you say what 2 sides are equal and how do you know they're equal. If it's an A, you write down what 2 angles are equal and how do you know those 2 angles are equal. And then the last step, once you've done your 3 lines of working out, is to write a congruency statement and the corresponding rule. If you follow those 4 steps, you'll be able to write a proof to prove that 2 triangles are congruent. So in this example, I want to prove that the 2 triangles are congruent. So my first step is going to be to decide on what rule I am going to use. And to do that, I look at the information provided in the triangle. So I know that side BA is equal to side AB. I know that side AC is common in both triangles. And I also know that angle BAC is the same as angle DAC. So I've got 2 sides, and I know that the angle between those 2 sides are the same. So I can use the rule side, angle, side. So now that I have the rule, I write down my 3 letters of the rule, side, angle, side, to help me write my first 3 lines of my proof. So on the first line, I want to write down 2 sides that are equal. So I'm going to write line BA is equal to line DA. And I know that because it is given to me. Then on my second line, I want to write down what 2 angles are equal. So it's going to be angle BAC is equal to angle DAC. And again, I know that because it is given to me. On my third line, I want to write down what other 2 sides are equal. And this time, it's not that 2 sides are equal, it's that line AC is common between both triangles. So I write down AC is common, and I don't need to give a reason because I can see that they're both common between the 2 triangles. So now that I've done my 3 lines, my first 3 lines of my proof, I finish off with writing a congruency statement. So therefore, triangle ACB is congruent to triangle. Now my second triangle has to be in the same order as the first. So ACD. And I know that because of the rule side, angle, side. So that is an example of how I write a congruency proof for 2 triangles using the rule side, angle, side.